This is Sideshow Bob for InvestorsCloud.com. Here we have Apple AAPL, beautiful NASDAQ stock, trading all the way up to $345 per share. We have tons of volume, well over 14 million today. Lots of money moving in and out of this stock. Great trader, whether you're looking for swing trades or intraday trades. There's usually some nice movement on this stock. As we can see, we've been on a nice uptrend here since September, and entering the mid to late October, we ended up going through a trading channel that gave lots of movement back and forth between the trend lines until the very beginning of March, when we had a sell-off and break through the support. We touched a secondary support line here after exiting out of the lower Bollinger Band, and we ended up returning inside the Bollinger Band and have trended up since then, forming us a nice symmetrical triangle here circled in purple. Keeping in mind that we are up against the 50 MA for resistance. It's at about 346 and change. Definitely want to see a clean break there if we are going to break to the upside of this triangle. But in the past, we have to keep in mind that we have seen this before. When the MACD gets this low, we have some correlations to what happens with the share price. We're about to have a nice MACD cross, barring some unforeseen events for tomorrow. If we get a nice beautiful rising candle tomorrow, we could have a nice cross like we saw here in September, and maybe that'll spur on one of these runs that we had for almost the entire month of September. With the launch of the new iPad, that sort of thing coming out, there may be some fundamentals that help spur on a run like that for Apple. Don't know, we'll see. But as you can see, based on the stochastics as well as the relative strength index, there's plenty of room for this to move up, and everything has lined up in the past right around the same area. If we can get these trending up into their power zones, it might indicate that more technical investors will throw some money into Apple, and we can have a beautiful trend upward.